Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to delete Coinbase Wallet account. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is simply locate your Coinbase wallet, and once you found the Coinbase wallet, simply open up the wallet. And now once the Coinbase wallet has opened up, how can you delete your Coinbase account? It's easy to do this, but please make sure when you're deleting or before you begin to delete, make sure you have your information like your recovery phrase or private key saved and stored in a secure location. Now, in order to do this, or in order to save your recovery phrase, all you need to do is head to the gear icon at the bottom right. Click on the address 1 where it says recovery phrase profile connections. Click on this and select the recovery phrase. Now, once you selected the recovery phrase, all you need to do is make sure you copy your recovery phrase or back it up via Google Drive. And once you've been able to back up your secret recovery phrase on your Google Drive or written down, all you need to do now is simply head back to the settings menu. Once there, simply scroll down and select the sign out option. As you can see here, they say if you sign out without saving your secret recovery phrase, you lose access to your crypto and NFTs. Only sign out if your recovery phrase is stored securely or backed up online. So this simply means deleting your account if you do not have a copy of your recovery phrase. You will not be able to get access back into this account. So simply click on the sign out option. I have saved my recovery phrase. Click on sign out now, and boom, you're signed out of Coinbase. So guys, that's how you can easily delete your account. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.